Hello, my name is Jose Rubio. This is Project 2 for my EET490 class. I am doing a reverse parking sensor. This is my design. Here we're using, we'll go over the breadboard, it's easier to see. Here we're using a IR transmitter and receiver. From here it sends a voltage to the op amps. This voltage depends on the distance of an object in front of the sensors or the IR receiver and transmitter. So this signal goes to in LM358. There's two op amps in each one. The output voltage of the peak detector is proportional to the distance between the sensor and on the car or any other object. When the non-inverting input of the op amp is bigger than the inverting input, the output is positive, and it will turn on the LEDs. I have this green yellow wire. They are the outputs of my three op amps I'm using here. I'm using two here and just one on this one. These potentiometers control the voltage that goes into this potentiometer goes into the inverting input of the op amp. That will become the reference voltage. So like I said, when this voltage is bigger than this one, the output will be positive. It will turn on the LEDs according to the voltage levels that are compared at the inputs of each op amp. From here, I'll see if I can have a tape measure right here. My goal is to at least be, I don't know, I think it depends on the alignment of the sensors. Sometimes it goes up to a meter. So I'm gonna use a clipboard as my object, and I'll see if I can do this with one hand. All right, let me just. The sensors are. There we go. So it depends on how you align it. So we'll start from here. Right now it's just doing the green. If I go lower, you will see the yellow. If I go up, the green will go off, and then trying to focus here. And if you go really close, you will see that you hit an object. So let's back up. So keep the camera in there, and I'll move the clipboard up. It's going up, keeps going up, still going up, and then it's out of range. So I'm coming down now with the clipboard. Green's on, still coming down. Yellow's on. And when I get really close, I'm not touching it, it's just really close. It tells you. So again, coming down. Sorry, I'm just using one hand to record and use the clipboard at the same time. Let me see if we can get a better angle. I'll use my phone as the object. Yeah. See if we get the right one in there. Really close to the sensor. So if I go up, I tried to build this circuit on a PC board, but it's not working right now. I have to redo it. I probably messed up a couple of connections here. Here are my sensors. On this one, I used a different IC. I used the LM324. There's four op amps in this one, and on the breadboard, I used two LM358s. That's the 358. There's two, and on the 324 there's four. So yeah, that is my project.